If you feel lost in life, like you're behind, confused, or unsure of your future, this video is for you. You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're not failing. You're just stuck in a moment nobody prepared you for. Most people feel lost at some point, but no one talks about it. You wake up every day doing things that don't excite you. Scrolling, overthinking, comparing yourself to others, and slowly, you start believing something is wrong with you. But here's the truth. Feeling lost doesn't mean you've failed. It means your old life no longer fits who you're becoming. Hard truth. Society tells you to have it all figured out by a certain age, a career, a purpose, a plan. But clarity doesn't come before action. It comes after. No one finds their purpose sitting still. Mindset shift. Every successful person you admire was once confused, scared, and unsure. The difference? They didn't wait to feel ready. They moved forward anyway. Being lost is not a stop sign, it's a signal that it's time to explore, experiment, fail, learn. Practical advice. Here's what to do when you feel lost. Stop searching for passion. Start building skills. Stop comparing timelines. Focus on progress. Stop waiting for motivation. Create discipline. Do one small thing today that moves you forward, even slightly. That's how clarity is built. One day, you'll look back at this phase and realize this confusion, this uncertainty, this pain was shaping you. You're not late. You're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be. If this video helped you feel even a little less lost, subscribe to Elevana Studios. You're not alone on this journey.